How to use Quicken Simplify tutorial 2025. In this video, what we're going to be talking about is an amazing finance app that is going to help you to simply go ahead and manage all of your finances and invoices in one place and easily manage them as you go through your work or your day. Now, to start things off for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to simplify.quicken.com and you're going to create an account for yourself. So, first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to add an email for ourselves. Now, once you have added your email, go ahead and add your phone number. Now, once you've done that, simply add a password for yourself. And once you have done that, what's going to happen from there is you're simply going to go ahead and click on create account. Do make sure that whatever phone number you add has the proper country code in it. And once you have done that, what's going to happen from there is it's going to go ahead and start logging you in. Now, once you have proceeded, it's going to go ahead and tell you that we've sent you a 6-digit code where you're simply going to be verifying your account. So I'm simply going to go ahead and add it right here and click on submit. Now, once you've done that, it's going to bring you right here where it's going to say one last step. Looks like you don't have a subscription. Click below to view our options. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply click on take me there, and it's going to bring you to the plans and pricings. Now, in the plans and pricings, here you have different comparisons of the pricings that it provides you. So I'm going to come over here. Now, it has the smart, simple, and built to help you succeed. Quick and simplify. You can either use the web app or the mobile app. Now, the billing is $2.99 per month. Okay. Now, it is billed annually, so do keep that in mind. So that's basically around $36 for the plan and pricing, but obviously it is a yearly offer and it's quite cheap, which is pretty cool. So, obviously, if you think this is going to work for you, you can go ahead and simply click on Get Started for yourself. Now, once you click on Get Started, simply enter in your details. Once you enter in your details, enter in your email. And once we have entered in our email, what's going to happen from there is you are simply going to be taken to the main sign up where it's going to ask you to create an account. So go ahead, add your very own phone number. And once we have done that, what's going to happen from there is you're going to set up a password for yourself. And once you've set it up, the final password, simply go ahead to create account. Now, once you go ahead and create your account and you sign in with the recurring current details for the whole pricing and you've gotten the pricing for yourself, what's going to happen is you're going to be billed and taken into the main dashboard where you're going to start working with your Quick and Simplify. Now, the whole, fun part about Quick and Simplify is how amazing its features are and how packed its financial workings are. Now, it's the app with most features at the lowest price where you can enjoy a 30-day money back guarantee. Checkout is obviously in a flash, simple setup, and you get guided onboarding. Now, the best part about it is its features. Okay. First of all, it's quite trusted by a lot of companies. You get bank grade security. Your privacy definitely matters. No surprise charges or ads, which is pretty cool because most finance apps do give you a lot of ads to actually tackle with. Then you get specialized agents and support and a great community that helps you grow quite quickly. Now, the whole point of Quick and Simplify is to make your finances quick and simplified. Okay. And it's one app that truly manages all of your money belongings, all of your invoices, and all of your workings in one place. So the whole point of using an app like this is to, get your finances on a fulcrum and run them up in a paralleled way. So you get unparalleled organizations where you can connect all of your different financial accounts and keep them tidy. So whatever bank accounts you have, whatever credit cards, debit cards you have, whatever escrows you have, you can connect them all in one place. You get proper automatic alerts and real time info to stay on top of your entire financial portfolio from anywhere, anytime. You get much better insights for better decisions. You can plan for today and tomorrow with in depth customer reports and analysis with flexibility to fit your changing life and easily update your goals, budgets, data, and layout, and it all truly adjusts to you. And the app is really easy to use. It does not have any type of a learning curve that, will lead to any difficulty using it. So do make sure to go ahead and use it for yourself to visualize all of your incomes, all your bills, all your subscriptions, savings, supercharge all of your future plans with proper saving goals to keep in mind. You get proper reports and insights with deeper data for smarter financial decisions with pre-built reports and filters where it gives you better insights much faster that are quite categorized, and you get great investments where you can redefine how you manage your whole portfolio. You get a proper net worth where you complete your net worth at your fingertips. And the best part about it all is the intuitive interface. So it gives you a lot of views that work for you, from pie charts to Scrum to Speed to a lot of different financial views that give you a proper idea on how the working works. And you can customize what you see in the app to filter and visualize your most important info. And also, dark mode is available, which is a pretty cool feature for an application like this. So, basically that's the main idea of Quick and Simplify, and how you're going to be using it, how you're going to sign up, and how you are going to be giving yourself a proper onboarding when starting off with it. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed it, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.